Hello friends, welcome back to another exciting video. Today we're working on this 2019 Nissan Rogue. I'm gonna be using glue pulling to start. I love glue pulling. It makes things so much easier these days. Now I'm using 99% alcohol to remove my tab. First, I need to work on that crown. As you can see there, a little bit of the metal is sticking out because of the impact. A couple of extra pulls here and that's gonna do it. Amazing with the glue pulling. This new technology is so great. And here I had to remove the rear light to access the rest of the dent with my hand tools. But first I need to tap down the rest of the crown. Here I'm using my soft tip tool to finish the rest of the dent. It took me about 45 minutes to do everything. I hope you guys like it. See you next time.